हेलो फ्रेंड्स, अभी आप बैकग्राउंड में जो वॉइस सुन रहे हैं दैट इज ऑफ ECP FDA अप्रूव मशीन इज डूइंग and giving treatment to the patient, and it is for heart revascularization instead of bypass surgery or stent. So it is a ECP machine's voice. I am going to tell you one thing that American Heart Association has said that your blood pressure should keep below 120/80. Means 110, 70 is okay. But compared to previous statements of AHA, now they have lowered the threshold of normal BP, that is below 120/80, and if your blood pressure is 140/90 or pre-hypertensive stage like 130 or 89, then you prescribe antihypertensive medicine to the patient for patient safety, and accordingly blood cholesterol or apolipoprotein B or LPA test, you prescribe statins, and if they have previous cardiac events like NSTEMI or STEMI, you prescribe antiplatelets and beta blockers and BP lowering medications to stabilize the patients so they doesn't have high heart attack, either NSTEMI or STEMI. But your BP systolic go below 90 and diastolic go below 50 is not advisable. Diastolic blood pressure below 50, that means your heart is not getting enough blood flow and it is becoming more ischemic. So keep BP approximately at 170 or 110 to 70 or 120 to 80. Don't go below 50 diastolic pressure and systolic pressure 90 mmHg. Otherwise you have symptoms of dizziness, ischemic TIA, or you find fall on the ground. So keep your BP very stable under 120/80, but not below 90/50. Remember this. Otherwise cardiac muscle will not get blood flow or body organ will not get blood flow, and heart, kidney, all this can be damaged. So diastolic blood pressure below 50 is a emergency, and you have to stop then any antihypertensive by doctor advice. So your blood pressure can maintain approximately 110, 70, 120/80. Thank you very much.